Hey there, my name's Robin. By now you probably know that letters make sounds. But did you know that sometimes two letters can come together to make one sound? Yeah, we call this a consonant digraph. Let's take a look at some digraphs together and practice. For each digraph, we'll say the letters that are in the digraph, something that begins with that digraph sound, and then the sound that it makes. Like this. CH, chin, ch. Now you try. Great, let's do it again. CH, chin, ch. Great job. Let's look at another one. SH, shoes, sh. SH, shoes, sh. Yeah, it's almost like we're saying, shh, be quiet. TH, thumb, TH, thumb, WH, wheel, wha. WH, wheel, wha. Yeah, here the H is pretty much silent. Wha. Here comes another silent letter. KN, knee, Your turn. KN, knee, Yeah, we just hear the sound from the letter N. It's almost like the K isn't even there. Now this is an interesting one. PH, phone, your turn. Yeah, here P and H come together to make the sound, like the letter F. Let's try this one again. PH, phone, Great job. Make sure you keep practicing your letter sounds and these digraph sounds, and pretty soon you'll be a rock star reader. See you later.